What are the cloudy spots or layer which develop in the lens of the eye among 20% of the people over 60 years? Cataract. What is a chemical virus, which is harmful to an unborn child if inhaled, swallowed or absorbed through the skin of the mother? Teratogen. What kind of steroids are unauthorizedly used by some sportspersons to stimulate the growth of muscle tissues to enhance the performance? Anabolic. The enzyme that is present in the saliva of man is amylase. What disorder of the brain results in progressive and irreversible decline in memory and various other cognitive functions called Alzheimer's disease? What is the weight of an adult human's heart on an average? 250 to 350 gm. How many days lifespan of R.B.C in human body? 120 days. What is lockjaw, difficulty in opening the mouth, a symptom of? Tetanus. Which organ of human body, a blind-ended tube-shaped, is said to have no known function? Appendix. In the human body, nails are made up of keratin. Which one of the following is not a part of small intestine? Caecum. Which one of the following is not a digestive enzyme in the human system? Gastrin. When you lose body's salt through sweat while playing or exercising, what salt-contained drink would you take? Energy sports drink. What does 4 refers to in IVF method of childbirth, fertilization? In vitro. What is the normal B.P of human being? 120/80 mmHg. What is the average heartbeat per minute for a healthy man? 70. What is an oily fluid which lies between the bones in joint, keeps the joint moving smoothly? Synovial fluid. Which one of the following organs excretes water, fat and various catabolic wastes? Kidney. Which one of the following types of tissues have contractile proteins? Muscle tissue. Which is an unhealthy food, which contains lot of fat and called junk foods? All of these. Which are not included in the milk teeth in a child of 3 to 4 years? Molars. The contractile proteins in a muscle are actin and myosin. The brain forms 2% of our body's mass, but receives how much of the body's blood supply? 0.2. What is the name for fear of death? Both of above. In how many days the body's vital parts develop and the fetus looks human? 8 weeks. Which of the following parts does not take part in the process of breathing? Bowman's capsule. What is the study of human cultures and their physical characteristics called? Anthropology. What is the inability to fall asleep over a period of time called? Insomnia. Which organ in the human body does not repair itself from injuries and decays? Teeth. What is a form of mental retardation caused by an underactive thyroid in infants known as? Cretinism. Which part of a human body is also called as voice box? Larynx. What is a mass of nerve tissue connected to the spinal cord, which regulates all physical and mental activities of a body? Brain. What is a sheet of muscle that separates chest from the abdomen and plays an important role in breathing? Diaphragm. Which of the following is known as the voice box? Larynx. The stomach contains a thick creamy fluid of partly digested food, acid and enzymes is generally called chyme. Muscle fatigue is caused by the accumulation of lactic acid. Where in your body a cataract appear? Eye. What is a group of nutrients that provide energy and are stored under the skin to help keep the body warm? Fats. How many days lifespan of W.B.C in human body? 3 to 4 days. What is the number of R.B.C in female? 4.0-4.5 million cubic mm. What is the weight of brain of human body? 1400 gms. What keeps our eyes always wet and clean? Both of above. In man, the normal number of chromosomes is 46. What is the study of tumors, cancer, known as? Oncology. Which among the following is the largest endocrine gland of human body? Thyroid. Cutting and peeling of onion bring tears to the eyes because of the presence of sulfur in the cell. How many pairs of vocal cords are present in our body? 2. Red blood corpuscles, RBCs, or erythrocytes are formed in the bone marrows. What is the average lifetime of red blood cells, RBCs, or erythrocytes? 120 days.